Dum, 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 dum.
Getting out, getting out. Eh. Getting out, getting out, getting out. Eh. Getting out, getting out. Gang, gang.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, the topic for today is what you ate for breakfast. What you eat for breakfast. Okay? Listen. Excuse the plane. I'm so sorry. Now, listen, plane, go on now. I'm trying to do a video. Thank you. Okay, so as you all know, I am trying to gain/maintain. What I mean by gain/maintain is if I gain like 5 to 7 pounds, possibly 10, I'm not gonna be mad at it. But if I stay where I am, I'm also not gonna be mad. I just don't wanna lose. So today we are going to discuss foods that I eat to keep the pounds on, okay? Now, listen, let me show y'all, cause no, I'm not in the kitchen, so let me just show y'all real quick. Listen to me. Listen. Tell me that ain't litty. You could tell me, but I'm gonna say, come on now, you hating. It is, okay, let me adjust this. It is a pancake made out of protein powder, fam. It's a pancake made out of pure protein powder. If you want to know exactly how I did this, leave a comment and I will literally go through the steps, because it's not hard at all. To know me is to know I like things that are simple. Listen to me. I don't like taking a year to prepare a meal. I love to eat out. Yes, I do. I admit that. Will I prepare my own food? Of course, but I'd rather someone else do it for me, okay? With that being said, this does not take long at all. My sister put me onto this. Shout out to Cambria. It is a pancake with no pancake mix, no egg, no nothing like that. It's purely made out of the protein powder. And it's litty, okay? It's actually very litty. Yeah, so I just, you can put whipped cream, but I didn't have any. Look how beautiful that looks. Come through, camera. Making it just a glow up. Look at that. I didn't have any whipped cream, but I did add maple syrup, okay? So, and I did add a little bit of butter in the pan, and I have added sugar to this, but if you want to add stevia or whatever sugar alternative you'd like, then you can definitely do that. I added brown sugar. I really wish I had some whipped cream, but the syrup and the fruits will do just fine. You know what I mean? I have blueberries, strawberries, and grapes, as you can see. Now, like I said, I really just made this out of the pure protein powder, and I also added cinnamon, and much to my surprise, this tastes really good. Now, the reason that I'm eating it in pancakes, the protein powder in the pancakes, I don't know about y'all, I don't like the taste of a lot of protein powders. No matter if it's in a shake, no matter if I just mix it with a little bit of water or coconut milk and drink it plain, I never like it. The texture, the taste, I never like it. Now, of course, you can taste the protein powder aftertaste in here a little bit, but it's not strong, and the cinnamon and everything makes up for it like so much. It tastes good. It really does taste good. I'm not mad at it at all. Not mad at it at all. The strawberries. This is litty, y'all. If you want me to show you the recipe, I will do another video and do that. It's so quick and easy, and it tastes good. So yeah, pancakes made out of protein powder. Lit. Another plane. I live right next to the Burbank airport, so that's why you'll often hear the planes going by. Another thing that I eat to keep on the weight, Irish oatmeal. As you can see, it's totally empty. My mother sent me this. Steel cut oatmeal. Irish oatmeal. And a couple different ways you can prepare it. You can do either as like an Irish porridge or as an oatmeal. Now, I don't know if I had told y'all, or I have told y'all, but for those of you who don't know, I try, let's stress try, to eat healthy-ish at times because, you know, there's a lot of stuff that runs in my family, diabetes, high cholesterol, and all of that. So for those of you who don't know, something that's really healthy to eat, oatmeal and cinnamon. That combo is really good for keeping your blood sugar where it needs to be, you know? And oatmeal helps to lower cholesterol, as does cinnamon. So that is why I have this on deck. The only thing with this is it takes long to cook, y'all. I just said I don't have time, but my mom had sent me this. And my mom was like, Unique, this is something that you need to have every morning. And I did until I finished it. I need to get some more. It does take very long to prepare, but it's good for you. And do I love the texture? I don't really love the texture of oatmeal. I prefer grits, but I'll eat it, you know? This takes about 30 minutes to prepare. And you just have to stir it occasionally and whatnot. You can add your brown sugar, your honey, whatever it is that you want to add to it. Your buttermilk, whatever. Of course, I don't add all those things. I do put a little bit of brown sugar. Like I told you, I add the cinnamon. But yeah, this honestly takes about 30 minutes. I mean, actually though, it says there's a shortcut to the steel cuts method where you boil 4 cups of water in a pot, you add the oats and simmer for a minute, and the next morning you cook the oatmeal on low for 9 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. So that's another way that you could do it. But yeah, it takes a minute to get that consistency and that texture and to really be finished. That's the only thing, but it is good for you. And I'll try to eat oatmeal as much as possible. Not only that, oatmeal sticks to you. I mean, it's an easy way for me to get on, pack on rather, some calories. And yeah, get one meal out the way. This by itself is fine. If I have it with this though, not a game. Not a game at all. I didn't say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you. And not only that, if you didn't know, blueberries. Also very good for preventing diabetes / keeping your blood sugar level where it needs to be. And antioxidants. You know I be on them antioxidants. I'm trying to glow up at all times. You feel me? I'm trying to glow up. I need these antioxidants. I need these berries in my life. So yeah. But how are y'all doing? What are y'all doing for the 4th? So lit. I don't want to drop nothing. Today this came out really good. Like, perfect texture, perfect color. And like I said, I really just don't like the taste of most protein powders, including this one. I don't love it, but I know it's going to give me pounds. And I like it in a pancake better than in a smoothie or a shake. Or just straight up, I can't. I don't like it. I really don't. Yeah, but tell me y'all plans for the 4th. What are you up to? Are you going out of town? Are you staying in town? All the food on one side, I know. Don't judge me. Tell me why Friday and Saturday are gonna be in the hundreds though. One thing about the valley, y'all, it'll be hot. Hundreds though, I can bear the heat, but I don't know if I'm ready for these hundreds. Give me like an 80. Give me 75 to 80 and I'm good. Ooh, child. I need to buy a new fan. So me and my roommate, we really don't be turning on the AC. We both have our fans. My fan died. That's why I said I gotta go get a new fan. But yeah. And it's filling. It actually is filling. Now for the pancake today, I did use 2 scoops of protein powder. Usually I put 1, but I made a huge pancake today. Bigger than normal. I'll say that. It's a little left. Still working on it. Anyway, y'all. I thank y'all for tuning in once again. I'm gonna cut this one short. But of course I have more for y'all. More jokes, more food, more tips, more advice. All of that. My random behind. I have it all. So, take care. Enjoy your 4th. And I'll holla.